Are you using Gmail or G Suite, free or paid? Doesn't matter. If you're using free at gmail.com or using the paid account, which is use the G Suite, and you're using it for your study and also probably for your work as well too in a professional life, right? So how much time do you spend every day on the Gmail? 2 hours, right? 3 hours, 4 hours, doesn't matter. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can spend half of the time and get it done as well too, because it's going to be all automated by itself and it will not be distracting you from all the different email which you shouldn't even read, because as soon as you read an email, you waste the time and you don't have to do anything to do, right? And here's the best part, it's going to be all absolutely for free. You don't need to install any third party, everything inside the Gmail, which I will show you now step by step to configure to ram down your Gmail time from half of what you used to spend. You want that right? Of course you do. Let's get started. Sure. The first thing first, you're in the Gmail right now, right? So there's a lots of email coming from, like this is one of the email I used to use when I was a student, and then at the time I created a long time ago. Now I don't really use this email, but now you can see there's so many email coming in. So what I want to do is about the first thing is about we don't want to see in our email inbox, which we don't need to do. Like an example, also there's a lot of conference invitations or LinkedIn. For your case, you identify which email notifications you don't really need to see every day, but you can see one time in a month, and you can just, or once in a week, and you can sort it out. So let me do one thing, like an example, LinkedIn, right? LinkedIn coming on with this all insights coming into the play. Probably I don't need to see it all the time. So what I'm going to do it is about, you can see update, no reply LinkedIn. So I can just copy that email right now, because now I'm going to do an experiment and I'm going to sort out all the LinkedIn emails. So now another thing I can see, there's a messaging notification coming in. So what I want to do in this one is about very simply, I can come in and I can top right corners, you can see the 3 dots, and I can come and click the one. It's called filter message like this. So now I can see this one here, right? And I can put a comma here, and I can actually put multiple, because the update I just also copied as well too. So now I can get any other emails from the LinkedIn like this, and then I can sort them and remove from my inbox, and so will not be bothering and filling up my email inbox. So every time when I'm just looking, I'm only looking the high value emails, not looking all the emails anymore. So now what I'm going to do is about, I'm going to take action. So now I'm going to scroll down. We can add as many email as you want, just need to put a comma like this, and then I'm going to come in and create filters. Click that one, right? So now the first thing, I'm going to skip the inbox. So I don't want to see the inbox into it, right? So now it's like all the other things here. So now I'm going to click and apply. So I'm going to put in a specific one as well too. For this one, it's better I create a new level called LinkedIn. So I can put in LinkedIn and I can just press and create. So now all the emails moving forward, whenever coming from the LinkedIn to me, it will be automatically move out from my inbox and will move to this LinkedIn folder, which I will have in the left of my bar. So now I don't have to see those messages real time. I will be in my email inbox. So I will be getting rid of those emails from LinkedIn, which I don't need to do. So like this, I can identify other different variables, because for you it will be different. Goal is to automate all those different emails, move them from my email inbox to another folder, and then once in a week, or even twice in a week based on the urgency, or even once in 2 weeks, review them, select them all, and delete them if you don't have to see it, or just write them if you have a loss of space. So like this, now I will have a much more clear email inbox here, which I don't have to. It's like an example, I can show you my another email inbox, which is super clean and super organized. Let me just bring it out here. So this is my another email address, which I'm using right now. You can see there's only 2 emails. Everything is cleared off to other matters, because I have used install all those different plugins, so I don't even need to see all those different email anymore. And I'm only seeing the email which are really important for me. So that's the way we can use Gmail to save half of our time rather than wasting a lot of email and selecting, deleting, and all those headaches, and we can only focus about important emails moving forward. By the way, if Gmail is something you're using in G Suite and you probably want to learn how to use the Google Meet for a proper interview, because you don't want to have a lot of issues in your Google Meet when you join your job interview. Check this video right now. I shared step by step how you can use Gmail, Google Meet professionally to create great impression through your interview, presentations, speeches, or even work meeting too. Click the video right now. I'll see you there.
We have some exciting plan for the next week. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss that out.